Breaking news, a Singapore Airlines plane has caught fire while making an emergency landing at Changi Airport. A passenger on board captured the frightening moment. The aircraft's wing burst into flames on the tarmac. Flight SQ368 was on its way to Milan when the pilot reported a problem with the engine 2 hours into the flight. The passenger who took the video described it as a near-death experience and said oil was leaking out of the engine before it ignited. The fire was put out on the tarmac and no one was injured.
Still burning, man.